Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys, I want to show you the snow last night. So heavy, it's so beautiful guys. The trees, the house is white. Later guys, we shovel and I want to show you there in the driveway. But now, I want to show you the backyard guys. Okay, let's see. Ito guys, oh. Ayan. Grabe, no? Tingnan yung mga punong kahoy guys, oh. Ang ganda. Tingnan, diba? Pero ang lamig. Lamig. Oh, grabe lamig dito guys. Ayan yung snow. Oh no. Ang daming siya kabilin mamaya. Ayan, oh. Yan, ang snow is so beautiful, RJ. Look at the snow. Look at the mountain. All is white here, RJ. Look at that snow. Yan. Ang ganda tingnan ng mga puno. Mga tree. Yan, ang mga puno dito. Ang ganda. Yan. So, I want to show you later, guys. When we shoveling. Okay, guys. We are ready now. How many inches, RJ? I want to show you guys how many inches or how thick this snow is. There it is.
I want to go to the grass. I
Here's
want to show you
RJ.
something. See, like, it goes on here.
Okay.
I want to go to the grass.
Oh my god, look at this snow. It's so thick. Look at this snow, RJ. Whoa, so beautiful here, RJ.
Look,
Look at
get
that.
in the grass.
See, wow, a lot of snow.
Oh, get in here.
How many inches, honey? How many inches?
Come in.
3.
Come in here.
3 inches? Look at that snow.
This snow.
And here is the plants. It's so heavy. Oh my golly. See this?
Look at this. Mommy, look where my hand.
Yeah, it's so thick. Look like 4 inches. Look at this, guys. It's 4 inches now. Look at the fence there. It's always white. Here he is. At the snow. Here is the snow in the driveway. Ang dami. Okay, let's shovel now, guys. Oh, so thick. Look like 4 inches. Oh, 6? Oh my goodness. RJ, what you doing? Wow, 6 inches, guys. Look at this snow here. Ang daming snow, 6 inches.
See you later. I'm going back.
See, here's so thick, 6 inches. Look at this snow. Ang ganda tingnan. Ooh. Look at the... So cold, diba? Nice. Here he is. So so long to shovel. It's so thick. Look at this here. The art here. Snow. See the snow is so cool.
You have to let that go. That, where you're walking on, that's not shovelable. You can't do it.
At the snow, guys, oh. Ang daming snow, oh, guys. Tingnan nyo.
You're shoveling out the truck, nothing else.
Okay.
The pathway to the front door, you're doing. The rest of it will leave.
What's it doing?
We put her in the snow, RJ, if work. RJ.
What?
Here in the snow. That, there.
Ah.
If work.
Okay, ready? Here goes. No. I can't survive.
Not stuck.
Survive.
Car, RJ. Go. You suck, you car. You suck, RJ. You suck. Ooh, a bus, RJ. School bus. Yep. Look at the. Yeah. Whew. And the snow. Look at the pile of snow. Ang dami na, oh. Lot of snow na, RJ, guys. Yan, ang snow.
About 6 inches.
6 inches. The snow. Last night we driving. 9 o'clock in the evening. Look at the snowfall. Ugh. That's your car, Jay. Hello. Whew. Grabing snow, guys. Stick in the garage. Yun, guys. Grabe, ang lamig. Okay, like that. Come here. Here is guys. RG's shoveling. You want to bury that there? Want to bury RJ? Look at that. RJ. What time now, RJ?
1 a.m.
1 a.m. Yay! Here guys. RJ shoveling. Not yet done guys. Ang tagal. Dahil ang tech kasi. Grabe ang kapal ng snow. Yan ang snow oh, ng pinala namin oh. Ang dami na. It's so white, RJ. Look at that white. Yun. Tingnan nyo ang mountain, guys. Yan. Ang mountain, grabe. Ang daming snow doon, oh. Ganda tingnan. Yan. Ito. Grabe ang snow. Ang lamig. Grabe ang... RJ, what you do? Careful. See, you cannot finish. Yes, RJ.
Done.
You done? Look at you're done. Have a lot of leftover. Look.
I'm done.
You done? My goodness. Okay, I finished that, RJ.
Wait.
I'm tired.
You don't know how to make snow?
I not want.
Also, I don't like this.
I'm tired, RJ.
Mommy,
Shoveling.
that
There
stuff,
is.
I love.
Yeah. Yeah.
This stuff is like hard.
Yeah.
This stuff is powder.
Yeah, it's powder that there. Show the powder. How powder is, RJ?
And
Ooh.
what is that?
Yan si RJ oh. You making snowman? What you doing? RJ? What you do? Woo.
It's snowing!
Okay, go. Go more.
It's snowing!
Oh no, you make it wet now. Oh, wet. You make a snow. Make it melting that to your body. See?
Honey, how you do that?
You cold now, RJ. Okay, guys, we're here now in the back. Want to show you here, guys. I show you this morning, and now have sun here. They're melting now, guys. Okay, I want to show you. Here, guys, it's melting now in the table. Starting melting because the sun is here. There is. Tingnan nyo mga kahoy dito. Yan. Ang gandang tingnan. Here's RJ.
Daddy's coming.
What?
You have to get dressed first.
Okay. Tingnan nyo ang snow. Wow, look at that. Ang ganda tingnan. Ooh, lot of snow. Yan oh. Yan, tignan yung oh, ang lalim dito oh. Parang 8 inches dito. See? Ang kapal dito ah. Yan oh. Wow. Ang ganda. Oh my God. May binding siya. Dahil ang kapal ng snow. Sana hindi siya mapapatay. Ang aming kahoy. Tinanim. Yan na. Woohoo! Yan. Mayroon ng araw guys oh. Yan ang araw. Grabe, ang lalim. Ang ganda. Formation ng snow. Yun. What you do, RJ? RJ. What you do, RJ? Okay, RJ, ready?
No
Ready?
video.
Okay.
The treasure to
Yep.
dig up.
Ready? 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go!
Okay, go.
Go! Now you dig 2.
Hey, digging the treasure.
With me.
Oh no. Oh, there is the treasure.
Delicate?
Ah, don't put here,
What
RJ.
is it? You're gonna break it.
It's a car. Here's the treasure, RJ. It's
Hold it up,
frozen.
Hold it up to the camera.
There it is.
There it is.
There is the treasure, RJ.
Treasure has been hiding in your system.
Okay,
Very
done.
long time.
And we shovel that, RJ. Grabe guys, ang tagal. Natapos 1 hour.